Hey guys, how's it going? This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and welcome back to my featured channel of the week. Before I get into the channel that I'm going to feature today, what I'd like to do is congratulate the board lockpicker on reaching his 1,000th subscriber. He's been continually working on growing his subscriber base since the demonetization policy that started earlier this year. YouTube has recently changed its policy where you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours per year to be able to stay monetized or to get monetized for the first time. The board lockpicker had the view hours by a landslide, but he did not have the subscriber base. Since he got demonetized, he's been continually working on trying to grow his subscriber base so he'd be able to get back on track and be able to run his channel like he was before. Being able to monetize your channel allows you to do some really great giveaways, improve your equipment, and it can really help the channel grow. I'd like to thank everyone that has helped support my channel by liking, subscribing, sharing, clicking the bell, making it just a fun channel to run. I really enjoy this channel, I really love watching it grow, and I really love being part of the community. So what I'm going to do is get into the featured channel of the week for this week in just a minute. Please stay tuned. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into the channel that we're going to feature today. The channel that I'd like to feature is K1 Locks. K1 Locks is a really fun channel, and it is continually improving and continually making videos. Right now, K1 Locks is at about 200 subscribers and about 200 videos. So his channel is still growing, has a lot of room to grow, and it is a lot of fun to watch. K1 Locks really loves to make challenge locks, send them out, and just make really great exchanges. He is a really good picker. He can really fight through a lot of challenge locks rather quickly, and he can make one mean challenge lock. So what I have put together here is a highlight reel that K1 Locks put together himself, and I hope you will enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching the highlight reel on K1 Locks. He's a lot of fun to watch, and I really enjoy watching his content. He's always making new content every week. One thing I really enjoy about his channel is that his video and audio quality are always very good, and it's very easy to watch visually and very easy to listen to. One thing that I enjoy about Locksport in general is that it is a really nice community, and I've never seen a nicer group of people. K1 Locks originally got into Locksport because it is something that really helped him gain some discipline and really help him improve his life, and it has made a big difference in his life. He is really passionate about the sport, and you can see it in his videos and all the challenge locks that he makes. It is really fun to always see why people initially got into Locksport and hear a little bit about their backstory. If you guys have any channels that you would like to see me feature, please feel free to send me an email at helpfullockpicker@gmail.com, and I'm always interested into looking at some other channels. Thank you to everyone that has already suggested some channels. I am working on getting those going in the near future, and if you guys would like to see more info on K1 Locks, please check out the link. I'll put one up here so you can check out his channel. Please consider subscribing and really helping him out. It is a really fun channel to watch, and every subscription makes a difference. But either way, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video. I hope everyone has a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.